and cos 180 is minus 1. So it is equal to minus 2ab, which is a minus b whole square under root is a minus. So the magnitude of the resultant is given by a minus b, or say b minus a, both. Correct. So it is sin 180 is 0, or so it's alpha. So it is 0 divided by something is 0, so it is 0. So alpha is 0 degree or 180 degree. Whatever. So this means geometrically, if this is your vector A and vector B makes an angle of 180 degree with A, it means vector B is directed towards this side. So the resultant is given by this much, A minus B. And the resultant may, if B is resultant may be along this direction or maybe along this direction also. So alpha may be 0 or 180 degree. So these are about, this is called the parallelogram law of the addition of vectors. Well, we will work out some problem in this easier problem. But for your, so suppose let us have two vectors A and B. Let R is given by A plus B, where mod of R is equal to mod of A is equal to mod of B. Find the direction between the vectors A and B. Now the resultant of the two vectors A and B is given by this formula. The magnitude of the resultant, we have just found out that the magnitude of the two vectors is given by, it makes A square plus B square plus 2ab cos of the angle between them. Let the cos of the angle between them is theta, and that we have to find out. Find the direction. You have found the angle between the vectors. So what's the direction? Find the angle between the vectors A and B. So this is the angle between the vectors A and B. And this we have to find out. And in the question it is given that the magnitude of R is equal to magnitude of A is equal to magnitude of B. It means the magnitude of A R is also A and the magnitude of B is also A. So suppose we substitute the value is here also A, and take the square of this on this side root, finishes A square plus 2A into A cos theta, because the magnitudes are equal. So it is A square plus A square plus 2A square. So it is 2A square, take the common 2A square common. So 1 plus cos theta. A square, it is 1 plus cos theta 1 by 2, and cos theta will then be minus 1 by 2. Which is okay, 2A square taken common. So theta is 120 degree. It means geometrically if you try to work out, it means the vector A is, if this is vector A, and the angle between the vector A and B is 120 degree, means if take a draw 120 degree here, and the magnitude of this length magnitudes are equal, so the lengths are equal, and this we are found out to be 120 degree. So the resultant is this, and the magnitude of the resultant is also equal, so both are equal. All of them are equal. So this gives you the first example. Now the second example, let the vectors where R is say R mod of R is equal to mod of A plus mod of B. Okay, so this is the second problem. We have the formula to find the magnitudes, and this is the formula where this has to be found out, theta has to be found out. But in the question it is given that the mod of R is equal to the sum of the mod of A and B. So it is the sum of, this is A plus B RZ. If you take the square of this side, left hand side, this is root will finish here. So it will be A square plus B square 2AB cos theta. Now theta is to be found out. So in this side we have A square plus B square plus 2AB, and on the right hand side we have A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. So the A square minus A square 0, B square is finished. So it is 2AB is, that is cos theta is equal to 1. Oh, sorry, theta is missing here. Cos theta is 1, which means theta is 0 degree. No, 90 degrees. No, sorry, cos 0. Oh, it's 0, okay, so cos 0 is 0. So it means, geometrically this means, if this is vector A, vector B makes an angle of theta with A, so this will be vector B. So the sum of the A and B geometrical will be the straight line of length this much, A plus B. So it's A plus B. Now the third problem. Suppose now this is, suppose the third problem, it is the vectors R is equal to A plus B, where R square is equal to A square plus B square. Find the angle between the vectors A and B. So again here, this is our formula to find the resultant magnitude of the resultant of two vectors, and we have to find here the angle theta. Using this formula again, we have given R square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB, and R square from the question is given by as A square plus B square. So it is A square B square 2ab cos theta on the side 0, this is 2ab cos theta, or you can say that cos theta is the a square cancels with a square. If you bring it to the left hand side, a square minus a square will finish, b square minus b square will finish. This side we have 0 to ab, divide this, so it is cos theta is 0, and it means theta is 90 degree. So this is nothing but the Pythagoras type theorem, where the angle between the a and b is 90 degrees, so it is a, geometrically it's b, where a and b makes an angle 90 degree with each other. So the resultant is, magnitude of the resultant is a square plus b square, which is here. So the angle is theta is good. So all these things which we have studied up to now is based on the how to add vectors and add geometrically, analytically, and what is the parallelogram law of vectors. Now in the next series we will start to work out the multiplication of vectors. There are 3 types of multiplications, the vectors, and in the next class we will do the work out with the multiplication of the vectors. Okay. Thank you for today's.